guys, it's me Aahana. Welcome back to my channel Tech Talks with Aahana. I know it's been a while, but I'm particularly excited for this video because I will be unboxing the Apple TV 4K. I have been waiting for this for days and I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's get on with this video now. Now that you've seen the unboxing of the Apple TV, let me give a quick overview of the features. The Apple TV can come in two sorts, the 4K TV and the HD. I got the 4K, like I mentioned, and it comes with two storage options, 32GB and 64GB. The Apple TV starts from, on the official Apple website, 18,900, but you can get it for way cheaper on Amazon and Flipkart. Now the big billion days are coming soon, so you can keep it in your wishlist because you can get a great deal on it. More of this is that I bought it from America, so I got it for way cheaper and I will tell you more about that later. It comes with the new Siri Remote, which has a touch enabled clickpad and it's voice activated. It also comes with the A12 Bionic chip. And now I'm just telling you what's in the box again. The Apple TV, the remote, yeah, both of them, the power cord and the lightning to USB cable. And here that it says in bold, the HDMI cable is sold separately. Seriously, I mean, like, it's just Apple being Apple. Now one very cool fact about the remote is that it is chargeable. You do not need any batteries for it. You can just charge it, and according to the website, it should stay charged for around a month or so, and that's great because I know what it's like to use a remote with batteries. I literally used to use it with my Fire TV, and it used to drain so fast. So this is a great change. I hope this feature does not let me down. Anyways, let me go to the features. As you can see, this is the remote. It is way more different than the previous gen remote. It comes with Siri, and yeah, it has a power cord and it has a touchpad. It has Bluetooth 5.0 wireless technology. If you want to know more about that, you can check the link somewhere around on the screen. And here it has a rechargeable battery providing months of battery life. I'm so excited to test this. If this works, then that'll be such an extraordinary feature. It has a lightning connector for charging. It can control your TV via IR or CEC, whatever that is. Yeah, that's about the remote. You guys can have a close look at the box. It's like a set-top box, and if I'm being honest, it's a fingerprint magnet, but I really love this black sleek design, which I'm in love with. Now let me talk about the ports. So it comes with the HDMI port, the Ethernet port, and the built-in power supply thing. So as I already told you that the HDMI cable does not come with it, and the Ethernet port is there, because if you don't want to use Wi-Fi, you can just connect it quickly, which I feel like it's great if places with the Ethernet port. Yeah. So it supports HDMI 2.1. It has a gigabyte Ethernet, Bluetooth 5.0 wireless technology, as I already mentioned. So now let me set this up really quickly because I really just want to use it. Now that I found my Tata Sky old HDMI cable, I connected it to the Apple TV, which I connected to my 4K TV. And now let me just quickly get over with the setup process. So it's asking for the language, so I'll just click on English, obviously. And now for the region. Here we go, India. So step number 3, data and privacy. Okay, whatever. Switch your television to match your region. Okay. So it's asking me to turn on my Bluetooth and connect to a Wi-Fi network, which I already have done. Now it's asking to hold the device close to the Apple TV. So
eventually.
Now it's asking me to set up your Apple TV, which I'm setting up. Your authentication code is... Oh my god, setting up the Apple TV.
I hope this process is lengthy.
2,000 years later.
Now that I've finally set up my Apple TV, let me test the feature which I've been waiting to test. The Siri voice detection. So, let me try it. Play the Apple event on YouTube. Whoa, that was fast. Now let me try something else. Open Apple TV. Play the movie Luck. First one.
It's just 2 more days. I know.
Also, if it's playing on 4K, it's working pretty fast, which I really like. Now, there's a really cool feature that I want to tell you about. Now, you know how inconvenient it is typing on a remote? I mean, it takes so much time. So, as soon as I go to type on my Apple TV, it gives a notification on my iPhone that, do you want to type from there? And I can easily type from my iPhone, and I can even control the TV from there. So it is epic. I will be testing the Apple TV in the coming days, and I will be trying to connect it to my HomePod stereo setup. And I will get back to you in my next video if any of this works and is the remote myth that today. So without further ado, let me end this video. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment what else you want me to do next time, and if you like this video, then check this one. And I'm pretty sure you love this one. Okay, bye. Peace.